Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking the parts of speech. That matters because only certain combinations form natural compounds. First, pick the head word and the modifier. Once done, test meaning. Does combining create one concept? If yes, proceed. Make sure to watch stress patterns. English compounds usually stress the first element. Finally, choose hyphenation when clarity or prefixing is required. This is the single reliable method I'll use to join words consistently and correctly. You now apply hyphenation rules step by step. Start with adjective plus noun modifiers placed before a noun, hyphenate to signal a single idea. Next, use hyphens to prevent misreading with prefixes, especially re, co, and all. Once done, check whether the compound has become lexicalized. Many familiar pairs close up over time and drop the hyphen. Make sure to test pronunciation and meaning after adding a hyphen, because that preserves clarity and prevents ambiguity. You finish by locking the chosen form into your text and rechecking consistency. Once done, convert to closed or open forms only when common usage supports it. Otherwise, keep the hyphen to maintain clarity. If readers misread or your meaning changes, reinsert the hyphen without hesitation. Finally, make sure to follow the relevant style guide, App, Chicago, or a publisher's rule, because that governs final presentation and avoids contradictions across documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.